transform my body, because girl, I have a lot of fat on my thighs, you know. Welcome to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing my exercise routines that has been effective in maintaining my weight loss after stopping Wegovy injections. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into this video. I want to say is go to the gym. 2, you can work out from home. 3, you can just simply walk. That's all you have to do. So first I want to talk about is joining the gym. Joining the gym has been my absolute favorite. I am so excited that I took that initiative step to even join the gym. Okay. I used to always work out from home. I never felt comfortable going. I had so many different excuses. I had to be home and tend to the household. I was married at the time. Now I'm not, and I'm telling you, it has been a game changer for me mentally and physically. I get to work out on the different machines. Ever, you will have to get through that awkward feeling, so you have to just keep going. Try to find the gym that is close to you or close to your job. I go immediately after work, which is only 7 minutes away from my job. Then it cuts out the whole excuses of not being able to go, because as soon as you go home, you may not want to travel and go to the gym, because from there it's like 20 minutes. So 9 times out of 10, I don't want to do that. I would say get a workout buddy. That has also helped me overcome my fears and awkwardness of being in the gym. Get an exercise routine. Right now I am following, well, starting tomorrow, I will be following someone here on YouTube that has put together a PDF for a Built Body Shred, and I'm going to talk about that a little bit later. But another good thing of joining the gym is that they have the hydro massage. Okay, I love it. Right after a hard workout or medium workout, however you want to do it, you get to have that hydro massage, and also there is a deep tissue chair massage, which I absolutely love the best. So that is like a great reward after working out. You have the stair climber, you have the pull down machines, you have the free weights, you have the barbells, you have all of these different variation machines that on your body. If you have loose fat like me, girl, we need to be there, okay? Yeah, so think about joining the gym, because I'm telling you, that really is a game changer. Second, you can work out from home. Now, working out from home means that you have to buy a lot of equipment in order to get somewhat of that same effect that you would get from the gym. I have a couple of dumbbells here, free weights, extensions. I have like quite a few at home that I can work out. You can also get on YouTube, pull up. For me, I do Step to the Beat with Gina B, so I can get my steps in. I like Juice and Toya. Those are like the hardcore workouts where you know, do a whole lot of compound movements with weights. You do body weights, HIIT training, all of that. So even if you don't want to join the gym, you can always go on YouTube and pull up those people that I mentioned and just start following along. Workouts is the absolute best. Okay. Now for me, as far as like my exercise routine, I get up 5 a.m. in the morning regardless, but now I don't hit the snooze button. For the past 2 weeks, your girl has been getting up immediately, and I turn my alarm off. I go brush my teeth, use the bathroom, and I put my shoes on, and I go right in that front room and I start working out. I don't care if it's just 10, 15 minutes or 30 minutes. I do 10 to 15 minute workout just so I can get my steps in, because by end of day, I want to have 10K steps along with my other strength training workout that I do either at the gym or at home. But I'm telling you, that right there is a game changer. I don't like working out early in the morning. However, when I work out in the morning, I feel amazing. I feel good. Yes, I do prefer to work out in the evening times, but just giving your body 10 to 15 minutes of a jump start it's amazing. So I would suggest that you try that, okay? All right, so then now the next one would just be walking. If you don't want to go to the gym, if you don't want to do any home workouts like buying all types of equipment, you can always walk at home or you can walk outside. You get the best of both worlds. Again, pull up on YouTube. You can just go walk outside. I don't like to do that too much because it's hot here in Central Florida. It's hot here in Florida, period. But yeah, go walk on your 15-minute breaks. Go walk on your lunch break. Or just take half of your lunch break to eat and then do the other half walking. It is all simple and you can easily get 10K steps a day if you keep your body moving. I have a sit down desk job, so I am still able to get my 10K steps. Why? Because first thing in the morning, I am up doing a 10 to 15 minute workout. It's just that simple and easy. You just have to be determined and consistent with anything that you do. So now that brings me to this new workout plan that I'm getting ready to starting tomorrow, which will be Monday, July 10th. And this is going to be with It's Shay Curry. I'm going to put her picture, whatever, up here on the screen. I have been following her for the past 2 years. I have watched her. Just you go get your PDF, go to her channel right now, go to her community page, and click that link. Her PDF is laid out in full. I'm not going to show you because I will be taking away from her coins, and that's not what I'm going to do, and that's not what I'm about. Go on there, pay your $10. I used Apple Pay, and I got my PDF instantly. She gives you a whole layout of food list, grocery list. She gives you a calculator, which I've told you guys last week about the TDEE. A workout schedule for the next 21 days. There's a workout schedule and different moves that you will be performing each day. And the whole objective is for fat loss, okay, and build muscle. So that means we're going to be in that cutting phase. So if you are wanting to challenge yourself and want to cut for the next 21 days, I suggest you go ahead and go on her page and check her out. I love her transparency of her body, goals. You know, we all gain weight and we lose weight, but the thing is we get back up. And because I've seen her transformation multiple times, I trust what she's doing, and I'm willing to pay the $10 just so I can transform my body. Because girl, I have a lot of fat on my thighs. You know, I'm gonna try to put something up here, but even though I lost 20 pounds in 4 months on Wegovy, I still have fat on me, and I want to shrink that fat and build some muscle, you know, get a little defined a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just want to transform my body. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, girls. So I'm still going to give you my own tips and everything of how I am working out in my eating plan. So don't worry if you don't want to go to her page, but I was just suggesting that and just letting you know that that is what I am doing for the next 21 days. All right, so fingers crossed and pray for me, girl, because this is going to be my body is already sore from working out, but I want to challenge myself in the gym and at home eating. So this is why, this is one of the things that I said a year or two ago, that I can never put those two together. And I'm getting ready to do it. I'm getting ready to challenge myself. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, become a bridesmaid. Make sure you like this video, and let's get into it. And also follow me on my Facebook, She Is Tamika, because I'm going to be posting pictures over there more often than here on YouTube. And you can also follow me on Instagram, She Is Tamika, and Comfort Food Twist is where I'm going to be sharing a lot of my meal plans. But other than that, you will see like videos a couple of days out the week. But if you want to see me real time, you need to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. If not, just stay here on YouTube and I'll just post my videos accordingly. Okay. All right, then I will check you ladies out later. Goodbye, gorgeous.